In this video, you will learn how to convert text-based PDF documents to Word document format using the Cloudmersive Convert API in Python. The API we're demonstrating today is extremely straightforward to use, and it abstracts both complexity and memory consumption away from our local environment. Before we get started, it's important to note that we'll need a Cloudmersive API key to take advantage of the Cloudmersive API platform. We can get an API key for free with 800 API calls per month that never expires by signing up for a free account on the Cloudmersive website. Without any further ado, let's get started. To find Python code examples for the Convert API library, we'll first select the API Console link on our management portal homepage. From there, we'll click on the Convert API link, and this will bring us to the Convert API Console page. There are hundreds of unique conversion services on this page, and we'll find document format conversion actions under the Convert document path. If we scroll down just a bit from here, or just Control F search in our browser, we'll be able to locate the Convert PDF to Word document service. When we open this tab, we'll find some brief documentation describing the service, and we'll have the option to test a conversion manually without writing any code. We'll want to pay close attention to the response model, which tells us this API returns a string of file bytes and nothing special beyond that. That makes our lives really easy. At the very bottom, we'll click on this Python tab to bring up code examples for the Convert API Python client. Our imports are pre-formatted, along with code snippets for handling authorization, class instantiation, and API response handling. We'll click on the Install Python SDK dropdown up at the top to reveal our pip install command. And to get things started, we'll quickly copy this command to our clipboard and run it in our environment. I'm demonstrating today in Google Colab, so I'm just running this in my first code cell. While that's running, we'll head back, copy the rest of our code, and paste that in its own cell. We'll now run a quick test where we convert a text-based PDF to a Word document. Note that I keep specifying we need a text-based PDF, because this API does not use optical character recognition, which means it will not work on image-based PDFs. Text-based PDFs store rich text information in the file structure, and this API uses that to create a high-fidelity version in Word format. We'll make 3 quick changes to carry out our test. First, we'll replace the placeholder text here with our own API key string. It's best not to expose API keys directly in code, so in this example, we'll be using an API key stored in Colab's secret tab. We'll implement the necessary method and then add our import to the top of our file. Next, we'll upload a PDF document on our local path, which will be a 4-page lorem ipsum document in this example, and we'll then replace the placeholder path string with the path to our file. Finally, we'll get rid of the print line in our try except block. We'll replace that with a string variable that holds our file name, remembering, of course, to give this name a docx extension. And right below that, we'll use a with open statement to write file bytes directly from our API response string to our new file variable. At this point, we're all done tweaking our code, so we'll run our code and validate our result. Once our new file shows up on the local path, we'll open it up, and we'll find a nice, high-fidelity conversion of our PDF in Word format. And that's all there is to it. We can now easily make conversions from text-based PDFs to Word documents in minutes. If you have any questions for us after following along with this video, please feel free to contact a member of our team.